In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "something went wrong" error on Google Gemini. This issue can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, we're going to walk through it step by step. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. The first recommendation I have when you encounter this error is to try some simple and quick fixes. Basically, when you see that pop up, a good initial step is to start a new conversation. Often, that alone can resolve the issue. If that doesn't do the trick, the next thing to try is a hard refresh of your browser. On a PC, this is done by pressing Ctrl and F5 at the same time. For Mac users, it's Command and Shift along with R. These actions help refresh the page entirely, clearing out any temporary errors that might be causing the problem. Another quick fix is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. These stored items might be causing a conflict, so getting rid of them can often solve the issue. Just head to your browser settings, find the options for clearing browsing data, and make sure to select Cookies and Cached Images. Once you have done that, give Gemini another shot. Now, if those initial steps don't resolve your issue, don't despair. Let's try diving a bit deeper. A handy method is to open Google Gemini in an incognito or private browsing window. This mode doesn't use your stored cache or cookies, which helps in figuring out if those are the culprits. If it works in incognito mode, that likely means one of your browser extensions is causing the issue. To pinpoint what might be causing the conflict, you'll want to disable your browser extensions one at a time. Pay special attention to ad blockers or VPNs, as these frequently interfere with services. Once you identify the troublesome extension, either disable it whenever you use Google Gemini or look for an alternative. If we're still having no luck, let's check some of your account settings. Here's an easy fix. Go to your Google account and navigate to Personal Info. Make sure you have both a first and last name filled out, and check that your birth date is accurate. It might seem small, but missing or incorrect details can lead to back-end synchronization errors that create these kinds of glitches. Next up, we can try resetting your Gemini activity. This one's really straightforward. Just visit the Google My Activity page, look for the option labeled Gemini Apps Activity, and toggle it off. Wait a few moments, then toggle it back on. This process forces a fresh handshake with the server, which might be just what you need. If, despite all these efforts, the error continues to persist, it would be a good idea to use the built-in Send Feedback option. You can find this under the Help or Settings menu within Gemini. When you use this feature, be sure to include the tag Community Issue. This helps developers track routing bugs more effectively and may assist in quicker fixes for everyone. Remember, sometimes the error can stem from issues outside of your control, like server problems on Google's end. Keeping up to date on any announcements from Google might also provide insights into whether there are larger issues affecting Gemini. And there you have it. Those are several solutions to try when you encounter the "something went wrong" error on Google Gemini. With a bit of patience and these steps, you should hopefully be back to using Gemini smoothly in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.